Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, is a makeup video, and this is basically a glowy makeup look. So this is a look that I just think is quite glowy. The makeup I've used is quite dewy and glowy, and I just feel like it's a really nice, natural, kind of everyday, go to work, go to the shops kind of look. So if you want to see how I got this glowy look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to jump straight into the look. So first of all, I'm going to be grabbing the Makeup High Heart Revolution Chocolate Palette. And I'm going to be taking this gorgeous pinky purple shade, and I'm going to start applying that into the crease. Next, I'm going to take this really nice shimmery gold colour, and I'm going to pack that onto the lids. Okay, so my brows are already done, so I'm going to go in with the foundation now. So foundation, I'm going to grab the Collection Lasting Perfection. I think this foundation is really good when you want that kind of dewy, glowy look. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to grab my all-time favourite Tarte Tape Shape Concealer. This concealer I've just got no words for, like, it's the best. The coverage is amazing, the application is amazing, and that reminds me I need to stock up. So just going in with the beauty blender again, I'm just going to start blending that in until it looks perfect. So now for contour, I'm going to be taking the KKW contour stick in the shade Dark, and I'm going to contour my nose. You guys know how I contour, you know my routine, but if you're new to my channel, contour my nose, contour my cheeks, my forehead, and I also take it under my jaw as well, because I despise my double chin. Again, taking the one and only beauty blender. I feel like that is all I'm going to use in this video. I'm just going to start by blending in that contour now, making sure I bring it down my neck as well. So now to set that contour in place, I'm going to grab the Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to go in with the middle shade, which I think is called Shadow Play. And I'm just going to go over that same contour, but just with this powder, because I've only just recently started doing this, but I just feel like it sets that cream contour in place, and it just gives a much more sculpted look. As you guys already know, if I'm doing an everyday kind of look, I don't really go in and bake, because I just feel like it's just, people don't have the time to do that. So the quickest way I've found and the most effective way is by using the Lyric shade in the Shade and Light palette and just applying that with the Beauty Blend. So I'm going to go back in with the same palette and I'm going to grab that shimmery white shade and I'm going to use that to kind of highlight beneath my brows. I feel like this palette is amazing for everyday looks, for nude makeup tutorials, any kind of nude look, but you've got some really nice shimmers in there as well, and I literally use this colour underneath the eyes and also as a brow bone highlighter. So for bronze, I'm going to be using the Bronze and Sculpt Anyway Luxe, and I'm going to take a nice little bronzing brush and I'm just going to go over the contour and just start bronzing my face up a little bit. I haven't used this bronzer in a long time, but it's actually one of my favourites because it's so lightweight and it's just easy to work with, and it gives such a nice summery look. For blusher, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution blush palette. I really like this blush palette. You've seen it before in my videos. I just feel like it gives such a nice pale but kind of cute look. Like, I feel like that was a bit strong. If you ever do that, just get a beauty blender and just go over it really lightly and it just takes some of the product away. So I'm going to go in and try again, but I feel like the colour that it gives is just a really nice light pink, and I don't even know what colour I'm picking it up. I'm just going across them all. I just love that palette so much. So now I'm going to take the Makeup I Heart Revolution Bronze and Shimmer palette. I really love this. I feel like you have to be careful with picking product up because it is so pigmented. Like, look at that highlighter. I'm shook right now. It's so pigmented. This palette was £4.99 and no, £6, and it's the best purchase I've ever made. Moving on to lips, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Revolution lip liner, and this is in the shade Nude. I'm just a nude lip person. You might see a few red lips on this channel, but I just don't really go anywhere else other than nude and red. But every single day, 99% of the time, I will either have nude gloss or a nude liquid lipstick. But because we're doing a glowy look, I'm going to be taking a Tantalising Taupe by Maybelline, and this is like a lip sheen. So to set my face, I'm going to be using my all-time favourite at the moment, the Barry M Dewy Finish Fixing Spray, and I love this. But if I could create something, I would love to create a face mist. I feel like they're amazing. I just want something that just smells incredible. I want something to kind of just stand out because they've all got kind of similar smells. The only one I need to try, which sounds amazing, is the Fresh Beauty one. So I need to get my hands on that. But this gives such a nice dewy finish. So lastly, I'm going to apply some mascara because my falsies are now gone. My lash extensions, I've had to take them off. Just because they were falling off and I didn't get time to go back and get them redone. So I'm giving my lashes a break now, so I'm just going to be using the Collection mascara. So this is the final look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!